G'day everyone, Scott here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. Today I just wanted to show you some random things that we do while doing full property maintenance. So today I've come and we're going to drain out this fish pond and we're going to give them a bit of a clean and then cycle it hopefully and then put some more goldfish in. We've trimmed back our ornamental pears that were like overhanging a large portion of this patio sort of area, and we're just going straight up, so we'll try and thicken them up. And they've also, half the cause of this, the pond, they were dropping a lot of leaves into the pond and then upset its pH and made the water go quite stinky and not so pleasant. So so we're going to hopefully clean all this out, put in some extra plants and so forth and see what we can do to make that grow. I've given all this here a really good dose of phosphorus with my Eco 88, so we'll want to see if we can make these ornamental pears really blossom. And then I sprayed all my lawn with Soak and Wet and Eco, and then put on my Eco 88 fertilizer. And we've had Todd in today from Darling Downs Tree Service, and we've removed a crepe myrtle from there that was sort of engulfing that whole corner, and we've removed a gum tree that was there that was dropping stuff. And just so yeah, that's just some of the random stuff that we do. Thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening and have a beautiful day. See ya.